Hello and welcome to Mercury Minutes, my series where I share with you my favourite tips and tricks to make sure you're getting the most out of your Mercury CRM. Today I wanted to talk about something that I'd gone over in the past, which is our Windows dictation, but how you can use that with our Activity AI to really streamline your follow-up process. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you a quick demo here, recording a phone call on the system. Had a conversation with Daniel. He has a new potential vacancy for a project manager. I've told him that I will start to get some candidates for him tomorrow morning, so I need a task for me to get those candidates at 10 AM tomorrow morning. I said I would also follow up with a Teams meeting tomorrow at 2 PM to present some candidates, and I would follow up after this phone call with an email detailing that plan. So we've got that recorded. I'm just going to go ahead straight away and save that note. That will save it onto the system. Now, one thing, Activity AI won't run on every phone call because not all are important, but for this one in particular I would like to run it, so I'm just going to show you how you would go ahead and do that. Phone calls all saved in the timeline. Just going to go ahead and open it up as you would to just view the record. What we're going to see, as you will with all of our AI products, is on the top banner we're going to see our Activity AI button. We're going to open that up, which will open up the UI. It's going to pull all the information from that particular record into the system. Once it's done that, it's just as simple as hitting analyze. What it will do while it's analysing is it will review the whole description, it will write up any of the follow-up actions, and then it will do it all for you in one go. So what it will do for you while it's analysing here is it will take in the full description, it will review what actions you've got, it will create those actions, and if there's any content to generate, it will also generate the content for those actions as well. So that's all done for me here. I can see here that I've said that I want to compile a list of potential candidates tomorrow. I'm going to set that Teams meeting up with Daniel as well, and additionally I'm going to send that email just to follow up on that plan that we'd set out in the call. If you would like to start using this product or would like any more information, please do reach out to me directly or your customer success manager.